आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay, so the given question here we have is the distance of the focus of x square minus y square equals to 4 from the directrix which is nearer to it. Okay, so basically what we have to do, we have to find out the distance of the focus from the directrix, which one is the nearest to it. Okay, so I have a solution here first. Okay, I know that the equation this one given to us, which is x square minus y square. We can clearly observe from this equation that this is the equation of rectangular hyperbola, right? This is the equation for rectangular hyperbola. Okay, because this general equation of rectangular hyperbola is what? X square minus y square is equals to a square. And if I compare these two equations, I can clearly see that a square is my 4, which says that a is what? 2, right? A is what? 2. And there is also property of rectangular hyperbola, which says that a is always equals to what? B, which means that b is also what? 2, right? Now, we know that to find out the eccentricity of a rectangular hyperbola, which is what? Under root of 1 plus b square by a square. We know both the values of b and a. Can I easily find out the value of eccentricity? Yes. This will become what? Under root of 1 plus 4 by 4, right? Because b is what? 2 and a is what? 2, so 2 square 2 square by 4. This will become what? Under root of 1 plus 1. So my eccentricity value will come up to me as under root of 2. Now what question is saying that we have to find out the distance of the focus from the directrix. Okay, we know that the distance is what? Our distance from the focus of directrix is what? AE plus minus of A by E. But what we have to find out? We have to find out the nearest distance. Basically, to find out the nearest distance, which case we will consider plus 1 or the minus 1. Exactly, from the minus 1. So if I find out the value of A minus A by E, so basically this is the answer we were looking for. So what is the value of A and E? Okay, so A is what? 2 and E is what? Root 2. So what I'll do, just I'll put up the values here. This will become 2 root 2 plus minus of what is A? 2 by root 2. Plus minus or minus? Only minus. So I'm sorry for my mistake. Okay, this is only minus. So this will become what? Now this value will come out as, if I take root 2 as LCM, this will become 4 minus 2 by root 2, which will come as 2 by root 2. If I cancel out this one, so we are left with what? Root 2 only. So AE minus A by E, or we can say distance D here, come up to me as root 2, which is basically the answer we are looking for. So this is the nearest distance to the foci of the directrix, which is what? Root 2. Now if I go to the options, I can clearly say that option 2 is my correct answer.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।